Now let's extrude those. Go back to home, extrude, click on it, enter. And, ooh, I rotated that weird. There we go, into there. Looks decent. Now let's go from the bottom up. Extrude this guy, enter. We're going to go up to there. That's probably good. Conceptual, just to make sure. Okay, as far as I can tell, looks beautiful. Now we are going to intersection that. Try that again. Subtract. There we go. Click on the right one. I think that's right. Do I sound surprised? Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to put these holes for the bolts or screws or whatever's going to be in here. And they need to be in the center. Lots of ways to do it. I am going to do it this way. Change it to wireframe. I'll take a look at the top. I'm just going to draw a line across from here to here. So that's on top. It is not on top. Delete it. Try it again. Okay. This corner over to this corner. There we go. I'm going to do the same over here. This corner to this corner. And should be on. Should snap fine. It's not. Try it again. Yay! Just a few attempts. Okay, so now we need to put 2 holes in here. And going back to my top view here. See, enter, midpoint. I need one at a 4. And the second one, see, enter, at 8. Same thing with the other side. See, enter, 4. And I'll right click my mouse to do it again. 8. Okay, so those are my 2 radiuses. It has an 8 diameter and a 16 diameter. So I'm going to push pull it. Might cause me some problems, but oh well, I'm still going to do it. I'm going to come down with a 3. And let's see what that looks like in conceptual. Which one did I do? Huh. Nope, it didn't do anything. Let's go back to wireframe. says there's something there. Well, I just don't think it took anything away, so I'm going to continue. I'm going to push pull again and select on this one. I'm going to go all the way down to some random spot. And let's see what actually looks like. Nope, didn't take away either. That's okay. Let's come back over to here. I'm going to go back to wireframe. I'm going to extrude this time. Enter. And we're going to come down 3, enter. And now I'm going to do extrude this one, enter. And we're going to come down to a random number, enter. Okay, so now under conceptual, you'll see that everything is still there. So we need to do some subtraction. Okay, subtract. This guy will subtract this from this. Excuse me. I did that incorrect. Let's try that again. Subtraction. We're going to subtract this, enter, from this, enter. Excellent. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to subtract this from this, enter. See, that worked perfect if I did it right. Okay. So I'm going to subtract this, enter, from this, enter. Same thing over here. Subtract this, enter, from this, enter. And this, enter, from this, enter. Beautiful.